everybody, it's Miss Callan with Ship, and today we're going to be making a salad for a change. We're going to make a cranberry salad. And if you're not in a kitchen right now with these ingredients, no problem. We'll learn about it now and you can make it another time instead. So here are the ingredients we're going to use today. We're going to use some lettuce. Other kinds of salad greens would work too, like arugula or spinach. And then we're going to use some dried cranberries. And then we're going to use some nuts or seeds. We've got walnuts or sunflower seeds today. And we're also going to use some cheese. So you could use some cream cheese or a cheese stick or this goat cheese or feta cheese, or any kind of cheese that you have. So let's take a quick look at our food groups. So that means we've got the lettuce, we've got the cranberries, we've got the nuts and seeds, and the cheese. So we've got 4 food groups. So this is going to be a pretty hearty snack that would keep you full for a while. And with all that salad in there, that's a lot of vitamins and minerals and fiber too. Okay, so what else do we need to do this recipe? We need some salad dressing, or you can make your own salad dressing, or you could just use some oil and vinegar or just a little sprinkle of salt if you don't like dressing. Okay, and then you need just a bowl and a fork and maybe a couple of spoons and maybe some measuring spoons. Okay, first thing we have to do is wash our hands. So we're going to get our hands wet, grab soap, suds up, and wash for the time it takes to sing happy birthday twice. Get in between your fingers, get on your fingernails, wash and wash and wash, and then rinse. Okay. Now the second thing we have to do is wash our fruits and vegetables so that we can be nice and clean and ready to cook. Great, so let's get started. So the first thing that we have to do is just take our salad greens, which we just washed, and we're going to put them in a bowl, and we're going to shred them up so that they're kind of bite-sized chunks. Look at all this great lettuce. It's got lots of vitamins and fiber and minerals. Okay, then next thing is take your dried cranberries and sprinkle a few on there, like that. Okay, and then we're going to add our nuts. So these are walnuts, and we're just going to kind of crack them and put them on. We'll sort of break them up into little smaller chunks. Or use the sunflower seeds. And then we're going to add our dairy. So today we're going to put a little bit of cream cheese on. And so we can just take some cream cheese and put little chunks on the salad. Add a couple little chunks of cream cheese. There we go, that's it. Now we can take a little bit of salad dressing. A little bit of a vinaigrette would be really good. Or you could also just add a teeny bit of olive oil and vinegar. So you might want to take a little, maybe like a little 1/4 teaspoon or so of olive oil and a tiny little drop of vinegar. Apple cider vinegar will work well too. Just want to add a tiny little bit of apple cider vinegar. There you go. And if you don't like salad dressing at all, you can add a little bit of salt instead. Just a little dash of salt. There you go. So, there are so many different ways we could do a variation of this salad to make it fun and interesting. So for example, you could change out your dried fruits and nuts. You could use dried apricots with pecans, or you could try dried figs with pumpkin seeds. Or you could try golden raisins with almonds. I bet you guys could think of a lot of different combinations of dried fruits and nuts that would be great on this salad. So you could even add other vegetables. You could add grated carrot or maybe some chopped apple, right? So many different variations on this salad to make it amazing. Do you want to learn how to make an easy salad dressing? We can learn how to make an easy honey mustard salad dressing that you might like. So for this, what you would need is some olive oil, some vinegar, apple cider is nice, some honey and some mustard, and a little dash of salt and pepper. Okay, so first thing you do is you take a jar and you fill it about halfway with olive oil. Okay, and then what you do is take your vinegar and fill the jar another 1/4 of the way with vinegar, approximately. There we go. And then you can add about 1 teaspoon of mustard and 2 teaspoons of honey, approximately. And then just a little dash of salt and a little bit of pepper if you like pepper. Okay, then you put your lid on your jar and shake it up. You have to really shake it to get that honey to dissolve in there. And then you end up with a honey mustard salad dressing. You could put this on your cranberry salad and then you have plenty to save to use for throughout the week. You can keep it in the fridge to keep it even longer. Great, so you're all set. Now you can take a minute to have a healthy snack and step away from your screen, and we'll see you next time. Bye.